Predictions for 1 June to 30 June 2026. General predictions. Overview. This month brings significant momentum as your 4th and 7th Lord Jupiter moves into Karka Rashi on 2 June, activating your 11th house of gains and achievements. This exalted Jupiter supports sustained progress in wealth accumulation and professional recognition through 30 June, more so after 18 June when Jupiter moves into the nourishing Pushyami Nakshatra. Saturn in your 7th house continues requiring patience in partnerships while providing structured growth opportunities, but receives the benefic aspect of Jupiter. The period accelerates after mid June when multiple planets gather in Karka Rashi, intensifying focus on networking and income sources, wealth and investments. Jupiter's entry into your 11th house on 2 June opens opportunities for increased earnings and successful investments. Venus joining this house on 8 June supports gains through partnerships or creative ventures until month end. Mercury's movement to Karka Rashi on 22 June brings communication-based income opportunities, though its retrograde motion from 29 June suggests reviewing financial commitments carefully. The Sun's transit to Mithuna Rashi on 15 June activates your 10th house, supporting career-based wealth building through structured efforts, career and profession. Professional responsibilities increase as the Sun enters your 10th house on 15 June, bringing opportunities that give you visibility and recognition. Jupiter's exalted position in your 11th house from 2 June rewards sustained effort with achievement and networking success. Mars moving to Vrishabha Rashi on 21 June activates your 9th house, supporting guidance from mentors and long-term career direction. Multiple planets in Karka Rashi after mid-June create momentum for fulfilling professional goals, though Mercury's retrograde from 29 June advises reviewing agreements and timelines. Sector-wise predictions, relationships and business partnerships. Saturn in your 7th house continues requiring patience and commitment in partnerships, supporting long-term relationship building through consistent effort. Jupiter's supportive aspect from your 11th house brings positive networking opportunities and beneficial business partnerships from 2 June onward. Venus in Karka Rashi from 8 June improves communication and emotional connection in personal relationships. Mars entering your 9th house on 21 June may bring discussions about future planning with partners, requiring balanced decision making. Children and creative endeavors. Jupiter's exalted position supports children's educational progress and creative project development throughout the month. Your 5th Lord Saturn receives the beneficial aspect of Jupiter and may bring creative partnership opportunities and recognition for creative efforts and children's achievements. Venus in Karka Rashi from 8 June enhances artistic expression and nurturing relationships with children, though Mercury's retrograde from 29 June suggests reviewing educational plans. Health and education. Educational pursuits benefit from Jupiter's supportive influence in your 11th house, opening opportunities for skill development and knowledge expansion from 2 June. Mercury's transit to Karka Rashi on 22 June supports learning through networking and group activities. Health requires attention to work-life balance as increased professional responsibilities may create stress. Mars in your 9th house from 21 June supports physical activities and outdoor pursuits, while Saturn's influence advises maintaining consistent health routines. Periods of caution and remedies. Caution periods 29 June onwards, when Mercury becomes retrograde, advising careful review of agreements and communication. 21 June to 30 June, when Mars aspects may create impatience in decision making, requiring measured responses. Remedies. Offer water to people tree on Thursdays to strengthen Jupiter's beneficial influence. Recite Hanuman Chalisa on Tuesdays for Mars-related patience and strength. Practice daily meditation for 10 minutes to maintain mental clarity during Mercury retrograde.